This is exactly how you can add team members, freelancers, your mom and dad, whoever, to your newsletter using Beehiiv. It's quite simple to do. Let me walk you through it right here. Once you are in your dashboard, go down to the settings in your bottom left, and in the bottom left corner still, you've got a team option in this workspace settings section. Here you can view whoever's on your team already. You can hide or show invites if you've got people here already. You can search for users, and importantly, for our sake, you can add new users. Just pop in their email like you would in any type of situation like this. Change the permission level if you're on a max plan and have multiple publications. So I've got 3 newsletters hooked up to one account. And if you have that, you can change the specific publication you want to add the user to. So if I select this and this, but not the Knoxville Weekend, then I can add this user just to those 2 publications. And then it's got a brief description of the user roles from top to bottom. It's most access to least access. So the admin just can do everything. They can handle integrations, payments, adding other teammates, whatever. The member can do most things except for some admin only permissions like billing and payment stuff. The contributor is just for like editing and drafting posts. And even in the weeds there, if you come over here to this page on Beehiiv, it shows you all the differences. And I'll leave this linked below so you can check it out. But like the contributor here, they've got this asterisk. You can only delete posts if you've created them. So if, Joe created a post, Jane cannot delete Joe's post if they're a contributor. If they're a member, they could delete. And there's several asterisks on the contributor column. So from most to least access, admin, member, contributor, 3 levels that you can add team members to your publication. If you want some extra one-on-one help, I am available for limited one-on-one consulting with Beehiiv newsletters. Below in the description, you can grab a slot on my calendar. If you just want to do stuff yourself, more props to you. Check out this video next, and I've got a bunch where that came from on my channel, showing you all the ins and the outs of this pretty awesome newsletter operating system. Hope you have a great one, and goodbye.